To use your connected watch to detect when you are sleeping while on sleep mode, in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Next, tap or select modes and routines, and then select modes, tap sleep, and then tap turn on automatically, tap your schedule, and then on sleeping, tap switch until blue. If you are wearing your watch is used to detect when you are sleeping. If you are not wearing your watch, your phone is used instead. Tap done to save. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.